A creamy grilled fish that is prepared with the Q49 curry paste. This curry paste is blended with natural ingredients and do not have any artificial flavorings in it.
Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Merry Bakes. So like we had last week, today is also a food hack series. So this time I've got a very surprise product with me, and that is the Q49 curry paste. And while I went shopping, I found this very unique. In fact, it's a ready-made curry paste in which we just have to add in the main ingredients like fish or chicken or anything, and it will be our dish will be ready in 30 minutes. So I've just picked up a packet, and that's the creamy grilled fish. So let's check it out, how it's going to be, and let's give a review on the Q49 curry paste today. Just get the introduction of this product. It says that no preservatives or additives. It's just ready in 30 minutes, and the most interesting part is no cooking skills needed, and you enjoy the daily cooking, the joy of daily cooking. All right. So this is what it says, and let's see the ingredients part. If you can see the ingredients over here, it is said that they have used fresh onions, fresh tomatoes, refined coconut oil, fresh green chilies, fresh ginger paste, fresh garlic paste, mixed spices, iodized salt, and fresh curry leaves. So that is why they said that they have not used any preservatives or additives. Everything is fresh. So I've just got the information that they have used a retort process to for the packaging of this product. Okay, retort process is where the cooking is done in high pressure, and it is packed in a retort package, in a retort pouch, which will be cooked in high pressure in more than 100 degrees, so that all the microorganisms are destroyed, and it will be preserved for a longer time. Hence you have a longer shelf life. That is, you can see that there a shelf life of more than 11 months here. So the retort package helps this this product to have a extended shelf life. All right, but once the package is opened, we'll have to consume it. So here they have given the steps on how to prepare this. So let's get into a detailed cooking. So follow me and let's start cooking the creamy grilled fish. First let's open the packet. Okay. So here it is. This is the retort packaging. It's completely airtight, and it says it's got the fish grill here. So this is the retort packet that's inside, and it's got the curry paste.
So this is the fish over here. This is black pomfret that I've used. This is 750 grams, cleaned and patted dry. Now let's make slits into this fish so that it helps the flavors of the marination to penetrate deep inside the fish. I've done this on both the sides. Okay, the slits are done here. Now let's prepare the marination. The details of the marination, the ingredients needed, are mentioned on the cover of the Q49 package. Following their instruction, I'm making a marination for the fish. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of ground pepper. I've used fresh ground pepper here, and just mix this, and into this I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice as well. Let's mix these ingredients well. If it is not getting mixed well, you can add in a little bit of water if needed. For me it's fine over here. I've got the desired consistency, so our marination is ready here. Now let's spread this marination onto the fish on both the sides. Okay, and make sure that the marination is applied well into the slits, so that the spices is well bound into the fish. The fish I have used here for this preparation is black pomfret. If you wish, you can also use kingfish as well. Okay, now using my hands, I'm just marinating this fish well and making sure that the marination is well into the slits. So one side is done over here. Now let's repeat this in the other side of the fish as well. So let's apply the marination here as well. Now it's almost done over here. Now let's keep this aside for 20 minutes. Alright, 20 minutes is up, and now as per the instruction we'll have to fry the fish. Into a pan, I'm adding in some coconut oil and let's fry our fish. The oil is hot enough. Now we'll add in the fish and shallow fry it lightly on both sides. Alright, our fish is almost done. I've just taken up into a serving plate. It's brown on both the sides. Now let's open our Q49 curry paste mix. As per the instructions given, it says empty the packet into a pan and add in 200, that is 3/4 cup of water, and bring it to a boil. So I'm adding the curry paste into the same pan I fried the fish in. So the contents of the packet is now emptied into this pan. It smells really good. Yes, in fact it has the fresh ingredients. You can see closely. As per the instructions, I'm adding in 3/4 cup of water into this. Stirring it well and allowing it to boil. There you can see the water and the spice mix is boiling now. Into this I shall add my fried fish slowly into this spice mixture. Alright, right, that is done here. Now let's put this spice mixture on top of the fish, alright, so that the flavors are well induced into the fish. Let's cover and cook this for 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes now and the fish is cooked well. You can see it's lightly simmering in. At this point you can adjust the salt as per your taste. I'm just putting in the gravy over the fish. Now as per the instruction, we'll be adding in the coconut milk. This is 1/2 cup of fresh coconut milk that I'm adding into the fish now. Instead of fresh coconut milk, you can also use the instant coconut milk powder. 3 big heaped tablespoons of coconut milk powder into 1/2 cup of lightly warm water. You'll get the thick coconut milk. Now you can see that I'm just putting on the gravy onto the fish and it's just lightly simmering over there. As per the instructions, it says that you have to cover and cook this for 2 minutes. Now 2 minutes is up. As you can see, the gravy and the fish is in the perfect consistency. Now I'll be transferring these contents onto a baking tray. There it is, our fish is ready to be baked. I'm just adding in some slit green chilies. And into this I'll be adding in some fresh curry leaves as well. Now let's bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. 15 minutes is up and our creamy grilled fish is ready. I've just moved this dish into a serving plate. So with the Q49 ready to cook paste, our creamy grilled fish is ready to be served. So just add your choice of shallow fried fish and coconut milk to our fully cooked paste. Grill it and enjoy your fresh and easy homemade meal straight from a mother's heart. So let me just try this now. I'm just taking in a piece with the masala and it's cooked perfectly well and it's really amazing. The curry paste from Q49 are plant-based and dairy-free and preservative-free, and all the products have a shelf life of 12 months in ambient temperature. For more product details, you can visit their website, that's www.q49.in. So do take your share and try it out.